Guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can get involved in the highly lucrative logo design business and potentially make yourself $100,000 per year in a short amount of time in 3 places that you're going to create freelancing gigs on. And I'm going to show you also a free tool that'll make it so you don't even have to do the designing yourself. It'll just do it for you automatically, and how you can make some really good money with this particular lucrative business of logo design. This sounds good to you? Stick around. We're getting ready to get started on it here right now. But for those people that are new to my videos and to my channel, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel. And if you have not yet subscribed, anytime during the video there, while you're thinking about it, if you think about it, reach down there, click that subscribe button, and click the notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on the channel for you guys, okay? All right, also at any time during the video when you feel like it and the video's giving you some value, reach down there and mash that thumbs up button for me real hard if you would, and it'll give some good algorithm from YouTube to my channel if you would. All right, guys, I appreciate that. Thank you very much. All right, let's go ahead and get started on this here. The first site we're going to come to, I'm going to show you 3 sites that you're going to want to sign up to. And guys, this is all 100% free to do, and it can be done from pretty much everywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where you're at. You just need an internet connection, okay? And a computer, or even probably could do this on some sort of a phone or a tablet device as well. All right, so this first site that I want to show you here is this site right here. It's called Logo My Way. And you can see it right up here in the address bar. It's logomyway.com right there. And come over here to this site, and you can get involved with this site and become a designer here on this site. As you know, people can come here and choose, like it says right here, from 70 to 600 plus different custom logo designs from professional and creative logo designers from all over the world. And that would be, of course, you. And you can kind of see some of the really cool looking logos that people have requested off this site that they are showing right here. These are really good logos here, guys, and talks a little bit about how it works and so on and so forth. This is the first site, and what you want to do is you want to click right here where it says login right up here, and then it'll come over here to this right here, but you want to click right here where it says create an account right here on this site. So when you click that, it brings you over to here, and you can start a contest or whatever it talks about here. People that are wanting to get logos or hiring people, they're going to start a contest, and the one that does the best, that's the one they pick, and that's the one that gets paid. But you want to click right here where it says designers apply, and when you click here, it'll bring you over here to this page right here, and you can see you just need to fill out this form right here, and then click your submit button, and it looks like that they will pay you through PayPal as well. So you'll want to have a PayPal account here on this site. Click the designers here. This is the first site you want to become a designer on right here on this site right here, called Logo My Way. The second site that we're dealing with is called Latium. You see it right here. It's right up here in the address bar. It's latium.org. Latium.org. This site right here is a same sort of thing. You would come here. It's a freelancing site, and guys, this can be done from anywhere in the world on this site. And you just want to click on right up here, and you can see right here, and it talks a little bit about it, and it's free to do this and so on. And even this site will even pay you in cryptocurrency as well as US dollars and so on and so forth. I mean, it's really good little site right here to sign up for. And what you want to do is you want to click on join right up here, or I want to work, start freelancing, click right here, either way. And then you can see some of the other freelancing designs here that people are doing. And if we do logo design, and you can see that people right here are making money doing logo design on this site as well. And there's all kinds of pages, and people are paying in Bitcoin. You see Ethereum paying in regular USD, and so on and so forth, even Bitcoin as well too. And you want to click on join right up here, and then you sign up right here, guys. You can do a local account here. Now these places, when you sign up, they're probably going to send you an email confirmation to confirm your email, and make sure you do that and get that taken care of. And then you can also sign up on this site with your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple ID account as well on this site right here. So this is the second site that you want to come to and get set up and set up a gig on here in logo design, like you see these people have done right here. You just want to sort of copy, or not copy exactly, but model your gig after someone's that you like here, and look at how they're doing theirs and just model yours after that. Set your gig up on this site as well. So now you got it up on two. You get it set it up here on this site right here, Logo My Way and Latium.org. And the third site that you'll want to sign up to, because the more sites actually you do, the more freelance sites that you have your gig set up on, well, that means the more opportunity to make money doing this particular work. So this site right here is called DesignCrowd. And you can see it's DesignCrowd right up here in the address bar. It's DesignCrowd.com. You can come over here to this site and you can see right here, get the perfect custom design every time. And you can see that if we put our mouse right here on the categories, that even outside of logo design, which you see here, it's very popular. This is a high in-demand service, and there's big money to be made in logo design. But you can see outside of that, they've got all kinds of other things here. Ad design, icon design, banner design, web design, billboard design. It's just flyers and all kinds of things, even t-shirts and just all kinds of things here that you can do on this particular site and get involved. So anyways, we want to look at the logo design. So if we put your mouse up here on designers, and if we click logo designers right over here, it brings us over here to this page right here, guys, and you can see some of the other people on here that are logo designers on this site. And looking, you can see it from all over the world here, guys. There's India, Philippines, Macedonia, Georgia. People from all over the world are having gigs on here, and they're designing logos. And look how much, 277,000. It shouldn't be any problem for you on all three of these sites to be making $100,000 probably in a short amount of time, 6-8 months, maybe a year. And as long as you keep with it, you should be able to make this kind of money as well, particularly since you've signed up to 3 sites to do this with. The first site, of course, is Logo My Way, and then Latium, and then over here at DesignCrowd. So you want to create a gig here. You want to click right up here on register right here, guys. And it comes over, you fill out a local account right here. Make sure you click here, I'm a designer, and then get your account filled out. And then you want to come back and get logged in, and you can begin to set up a gig on this site as well. What you'll do is come down here to bottom, and right here under the About Us column right here, you see where it says Design Jobs right here. Actually, you can click right there, and it's free to join right here and become a designer, which is going to be the same thing. Alrighty, so you want to sign up here on this site as well and begin to set up your gig on this particular site as a logo designer. Now, I told you guys earlier in the video that I was going to show you a tool, a free tool that would do this for you, and you don't even have to worry about being a designer yourself. This tool will actually create your logos for you. When you get a customer off of these 3 sites, you will then come over here into this site right here. It's called BrandCrowd. See it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's BrandCrowd.com right there. And this site right here, you can create stunning logos just by, let's say if your customer gives you their business name, just say, for example, I'll just type my name in there, and then you can create a keyword, and let's say there's something to do about golf. They want to do something about golf. So we'll put the word golf in there, and then just click search right here. See what we get here. There we go. And you can see it took what I typed in there, and it had all these logos had to do with golf. And that's just an example of how easy it is to create these logos. I mean, you just type in the business name or whatever your customer wants, and you just type it in there with the keywords that they want, and it will automatically create these beautiful logos for your customer. And then you just pick one. You can probably give them 3 to choose from. You can download them easy enough right here. Just click download on any of those. Download it to your computer. Give your customer about 3 different ones to choose from. And if they don't like those 3, then you got plenty more. Look, there's a page after page after page of these logos that it just created for you, just like that. Guys, that is how you do that. And that is what I wanted to show you today, is how you can get into the highly lucrative logo design business and begin to make yourself some really, really big money shortly down the road. Alrighty, well guys, if you like this method, that's what I had for you today. Reach down there and give me mash that thumbs up button for me, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and click that little notification bell there right beside it. And also, if you got any comments about this video or questions, just leave them down below and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And if you want to see a free video presentation that'll show you how to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer. If you like affiliate marketing, well, you want to reach down there in the top of my description and click where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and watch my free video presentation that'll show you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer making thousands in one day's possibility. Alrighty, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so. Don't forget to watch these videos that are popping up here too. It'll help you make money online as well. Guys, I'll let you go, and I'll see you in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Bye-bye now.